In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your Discord application as an action step inside Pabbly Connect and start sending the messages to your Discord channel. So the idea here is I have created this appointment booking form, and as soon as someone is going to book an appointment, I'm going to firstly capture those details inside the trigger application, and then I'm going to share those appointment details with my team, and my team is actually available in one of my Discord channels. So here you can see I have already connected this Google Forms with Pabbly Connect and have captured all the appointment details. Here we have the appointment date, the patient's name, the patient's email address, and we even have the appointment timing. And now I am going to share these appointment details to one of my Discord channel. Okay, so how you can do that? Simply choose your application and an action event. If you want to send a basic channel message, you can go with this send channel message HTML. But just in case, if you want to send the messages in different language or maybe into this markdown language, you can go with this particular action event. Well, in this particular case, I'm going to choose this send channel message HTML. Now, as soon as you are going to click on this connect button, you will see the Discord will be connected immediately with the Pabbly Connect. You do not have to do anything extra. The first thing, it will ask you to provide the webhook URL. Okay, so how and from where you will get this webhook URL, let me show you step by step. Enter your webhook URL. So you can also visit this documentation in order to check how you can get the webhook URL from your Discord account. So firstly, I'm going to take you directly to my Discord account, and here you can notice I have created a server named as Pabbly Team, right after which you will find a drop down. So click on that drop down, and then you will find an option of server settings, and after that you will have to directly jump to the app section. You will find here the integrations option. Okay, and finally we are going to create a webhook from this particular button. Okay, so simply click on this create webhook button, and this is how the webhook will be created. Click on this arrow, and here you will have to rename your webhook. Okay, so I am going to give a random name to this particular webhook. Okay, so Pabbly connection, I am giving this particular name and keep it general, and here exactly you will find the webhook URL. So copy this webhook URL and then click on the save changes button, and this is how you can create that webhook inside Discord. Okay, so coming back to Pabbly Connect, and here exactly you will have to paste the same webhook URL. After that, it is asking that which message you would like to send to the team, basically to the Discord channel. Okay, so I have already created a very nice message into my notepad. I'm going to directly copy this message and I'll be pasting the same here. And don't worry, it is mentioned here that you need to provide the basic HTML format only. But if you are going to do the formatting directly, if you will give these spaces in this way, then also it will consider these spaces, basically all the formattings. Okay, so let me first correct the formatting of my message. Here we are going to provide the patient name, the patient phone number, the date and the timing. Okay, so here exactly I am going to fill the details one by one, and let me first bold the rest of the headings, the details. Okay, so firstly it is asking for the patient name. So instead of providing anything manually, I am going to map this data from the response which I have received in my trigger application, basically in the Google Form response, and I don't need to manually copy this data and paste it here. I'm going to map it, and mapping is very simple inside Pabbly Connect. You just need to click on this particular field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Now you just need to search for that specific data. So here I have searched for the name of the patient, so I have successfully mapped the name of the patient. Asking for the patient email address, so I am going to search for the email address again, and here we have the patient email address. Asking for the phone number, let me search for the phone number as well. Okay, so let me search for the number directly. Okay, so this is the dummy number again. Asking for the date and the time. Okay, so here we have the appointment date, and lastly the timing. Okay, so let me check for the timing as well. All right, so I have mapped all these details, and you must be thinking, what is this mapping? So whatever the details I am going to map here will be replaced automatically when this automation will work in real time in the next time, and whatever the values I have provided manually, this data will remain same, and the values which I have mapped will be changed automatically. Okay, asking for the bot name and the bot icon. So here you can provide any random bot name. Okay, so I am providing the bot name as the sample bot. Now it is asking for the bot icon. icon. So just in case if you want to add any bot icon, you can add the URL for the same, and it supports only the JPG, GIF and PNG. Asking for the text to speech, well, it is completely up to you. Currently I'm going to keep it as disable. Now finally I'll be clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will see how the same message will get sent automatically on my Discord server. And here you can see, hello team, a new appointment is received. Detail of appointment are as follows. And these are the same details, basically the patient name, the patient email, the patient phone number, date and time. So this is how you can connect your Discord application with the Pabbly Connect and start sending the automatic messages to your Discord channel, to your Discord server. Let me test this automation whether it is working in real time or not. So I am going to fill this particular time one more time, and you will see how the appointment details of the next person will be shared with the team or not in real time. Alright, so this time the person named as dummy customer is actually booking an appointment with the doctor, and here we have the number of this patient. The email address is desk@pabblytudes.com, and he has booked an appointment for 31st of January and 12 am. Okay, I am going to submit this particular form. Now I'll be coming back to my Discord channel and wait for those appointment details to be arrived here automatically on my Discord account, on my Discord channel. And here you can see the new appointment details are also arrived on my Discord channel. Hello team, a new appointment is received. Details of the appointment are as follows. And the patient name is dummy customer. It is the same name. It is the same email address, the same phone number. And the patient has selected the timing and the date as 31st of January and 12 am. So this is how now onwards, from whatever the data source you are getting your data, whether it is the Google Forms, the Google Sheets, the Jot form or any other data, now the messages will get sent automatically once you have built a connection in Discord and in that data source application, in the trigger application. And if you want to access this automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the shareable link of my workflow into my description box. So on clicking on this particular link and sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, the same workflow will be cloned into your Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Thank you for watching this video.